Draw the graph of the following function. So this is the table for x, y. So when I put x equals 0, then in the given function, then y equals 6. So for x equals 0, y equals 6. Now put x equals 1. So when I put x equals 1 in the given function, then y equals 4. For x equals 1, y equals 4. Now put x equals 2. So for x equals 2, y becomes 2. And now put x equals 3. So when I put x equals 3 in the given function, then y equals 0. So now I'm going to draw the graph of the given function as requested. So x equals 0 and y equals 6. So this is the point. When x equals 1, y equals 4. So this is the second point. When x equals 2, y equals 2. So this is the third point. When x equals 3, y equals 0. This is the fourth point. So this is the graph. This graph will never dip down to the negative axis of y, because this is a modulus function, and in modulus function the range, which is y, is always positive.